The Acerpure Advanced G series is a line of 4K QLED smart TVs that were recently launched in India. They are available in 65-inch and 75-inch models and are marked for both home entertainment and gaming. Here is a summary of the key features and what reviews are saying. Key features and specifications display: the TVs feature 4K 3840 x 2160 QLED panels with a 120 Hz refresh rate. They support Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus for enhanced color and contrast, along with MEMC motion estimation motion compensation technology to reduce motion blur. The screens are also bezel-less for a more immersive viewing experience. Audio: they come with a 50-watt sound system that includes built-in subwoofer and supports Dolby Atmos for a multi-dimensional sound experience. Smart TV features: the TVs are powered by the Google TV platform, which provide access to a wide range of apps from Google Play Store, personalized content suggestion and voice control via Google Assistant. They also have built-in Chromecast for easy casting from mobile devices. Connectivity: the Advanced G series offers multiple connectivity options, including 3 HDMI ports, one with ERC support, one USB 3.0 port, one USB 2.0 port, an RJ45 LAN port and an AV input. They also have dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Pricing: the 65-inch model is priced at approximately Rs 54,999, while the 75-inch model is around Rs 79,999. Reviews and initial impressions highlight the following points. Picture quality: the QLED panels combined with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus are praised for delivering vibrant color, sharp contrast and a detailed 4K picture. The 120 Hz refresh rate and MEMC technology are noted as significant advantages for gamers and those who watch fast-paced content, as they help ensure a smooth, blur-free picture. Sound quality: the integrated 50-watt speakers with a subwoofer and Dolby Atmos support are seen as a strong point, providing a rich and powerful audio experience that is often lacking in other TVs in this price range. Gaming performance: with a 120 Hz refresh rate and gaming focused features, these TVs are positioned as a good option for console gamers who want a smooth and responsive experience. Smart features: the Google TV interface is generally well regarded for being user friendly and providing easy access to apps and content. The inclusion of Google Assistant and Chromecast adds to the convenience. Value for money: at their price point, the Acerpure Advanced G series TVs are considered a value-rich option in the high-performance QLED TV category, offering features typically found in more expensive models. While many reviews are positive, it's worth noting that a few users' reviews on the Acer TV models have raised concern about their sales service and potential manufacturing defects. So that is something to keep in mind, although these comments are not specifically about the new Advanced G series.